Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are fine and safe at your place. So let's start today's class. Today's class for class 3rd, subject English reader, and the book name is Together with Essence term 3, chapter 1, lecture 2 of chapter 1, and the topic is Gopala. Topics to be covered in this lecture: we will revise word meanings and we will do question answers and book exercises. So this is chapter 1 and chapter name is Gopala. So students, we have already read this chapter, and in homework I asked you to write word meanings of this chapter. So we will revise word meanings, then we will do question answers. Word meanings. First word is huge. 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 Huge means vishal या बड़ा. Second is afraid. 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 Afraid means डरा हुआ. Third is frightened. Frighteneed. Frightened. Frightened means डरा हुआ, या you can write भयभीत also. Fourth is protect. 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 Protect means रक्षा करना. Fifth is forest. 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 Forest means jungle. Sixth is fields. 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 Fields means खेत. Seventh is feast. 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 Feast means दावत. Eighth is strange. 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 Strange means अजीब. Ninth is cowherd. 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 Cowherd means चरवाहे. 10th is boosted. Boasted. Boosted. Boosted means दावा. 11th is distressed. 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 Distressed means व्यथित. 12th is delicious. 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 Delicious means स्वादिष्ट. 13th is clamored. 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 Clamored means जोरदार मांग करना. So now we will do question answers, which is on page number 6. So please open your book and open page number 6. So on page number 6, show what you know, part A. Did you like the story? क्या आपको ये story अच्छी लगी? Now answer the following questions. So you have to answer these questions. Question 1, 2, 3 and 4 we will do in notebook, and 5 and 6 we will do in book only. Okay. So first we will do 5 and 6 question number 5 and question number 6. Then we will do question 1, 2, 3 and 4 in notebook. Okay. So first is question 5. Which of the following words suitably describe Gopala's brother? Tick. So you have to tick those words which describe Gopala's brother. Okay. So was Gopala's brother helpful? Yes. So was it kind? Yes. Was he dangerous? No. So we will not tick. So D, was he beautiful? Yes. So E, was he rude? No. So we will not tick. So F, was he loving? Yes. So tick. Okay. Now question number 6. What did Gopala take to school for the feast? Tick. Gopala feast के लिए स्कूल में क्या लेके गया था बेटा? First A, butter? No. B, milk? No. C, milkshake? No. D, buttermilk? Yes. So tick. Answer D, buttermilk. Okay. Now these questions we will do in notebook. So just take out your English notebook. So in your notebook, write down format first. Write down date. DATE, date. Date is write down 9-12-20. So in center write down lesson 1, and this side write down day. WEDNESDAY, Wednesday. So here write down chapter name Gopala. and the topic, write down question answers. So in short you can write. So first question is, write down question 1. What had happened? What had happened to Gopala's father? गोपालक के फादर को क्या हुआ था? आंसर, राइट डाउन आंसर. Gopala's father, write down, Gopala's father died when he was a baby. Gopala's father died when he was a baby. जब वह छोटा बच्चा था उसकी फादर की मृत्यु हो गई थी. Now question number 2. What was, write down, what was mother's, write down, what was mother prayer, what was mother's prayer to Lord Krishna? To Lord Krishna. Answer is, Gopala's mother prayed to Lord Krishna to protect his son. Gopala's mother prayed to Lord Krishna to protect his son. Protect her son. Protect her son. Gopala's mother prayed to Lord Krishna to protect her son. Now question number 3. Was Gopala's cowherd brother able to take his fear away? क्या गोपाला का कावर्ड ब्रदर उसका डर दूर भगा पाया था? Caught a line from the text to support your answer. सो क्या गोपाला का चरवाहा भाई उसका डर दूर कर पाया था? कॉट अ लाइन फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट टू सपोर्ट योर आंसर. सो आपको टेक्स्ट में से लाइन लिखनी जो इस आपके आंसर को सपोर्ट करती है. ओके, सो द लाइन आंसर इज, द लाइन गोपाला was no longer afraid, AFRAID, afraid. Tell us about this. सो हमें ये लाइन बताती है कि जो गोपाला का चरवाहा भाई था उसने गोपाला का जो डर था वो दूर कर दिया था. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Gopala's cowherd brother was actually गोपाला's cowherd brother was actually, गोपाला का जो cowherd brother था वो एक्चुअल में कौन था, वास्तव में कौन था? आंसर इज लॉर्ड कृष्णा हिमसेल्फ. कृष्णा himself. Okay, so we have done these 4 questions. Now again open page number 6 in your book. So on page number 6 beta, thinking caps on. Next question. A. The following are 2 sets of sentences. One tells you what happened and other gives you the reason for it. Join the sentences and write them in your notebook. Okay, so you can see on page number 6 what happened. One set is there, and on page number 7 second set is there, why it happened. So you have to join both the set and then you have to write sentences in your notebook. Okay. Okay, so why it happened you can see on page number 7. This is page number 7. So this is second set, why it happened. Okay, so you have to join both the set, then you have to complete the sentence. Now in B, now write the above sentences using because. So आपको ये दोनों sentence मीन्स दोनों set को join करके कैसे join करना है, because लगा के. Okay, in your notebook. An example has been given. एक example already दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे. Gopala's first sentence you can see in set 1. Sentence 1, Gopala refused to go to school. Then because he was frightened of the wild animals on the way. So we have joined sentence 1 with sentence F. Okay, then we have completed this sentence. So this is how you have to complete this thinking caps on. Okay, so we will do this work in notebook. So just take out your notebook also beta. So in notebook beta, sentence 1 is already done in your book. So now we will start with sentence 2. Now you can read your sentence 2. His mother prayed to Lord Krishna. So this is from set 1. Now you have to see sentence set 2. Okay, you have to complete the sentence. So you have to join with set 2. So his mother prayed to Lord Krishna. The answer is because. So you have to write the sentence also. Write down his mother prayed to Lord Krishna. Because she wanted him to protect Gopala. Okay, now third sentence is Gopala was no longer afraid because Gopala's cowherd brother gave him company. Okay, now sentence 4. Gopala did not ask his mother for something to take to the feast. Gopala did not ask his mother for something to take to the feast because. Join sentence 4 with C. They, because they were poor and did not have much to eat. Okay, now question sentence 5th. Gopala's brother gave him buttermilk because. Now we will join sentence 5 with because all children loved the buttermilk. Okay, now sentence 6. Gopala's teacher wanted to meet his brother because now we will join sentence 6 with B. Because he was astonished. Astonished means आश्चर्यचकित रह जाना. Okay, when the bowl of buttermilk remained full. Okay, so this is how you have to complete thinking caps on. Now come to page number 7. So on page number 7, word smart. So this is your homework beta. Okay, date is 9-12-20. Find smaller words in the big word and write them. One has been done for you. Okay, first is forest. FOREST, forest. So फॉरेस्ट ये बिग वर्ड है बेटा आपका और उसमें से आपको छोटे वर्ड्स लिखने हैं. सो वन इज ऑलरेडी रिटन, REST, रेस्ट. नाउ नेक्स्ट यू कैन राइट स्टोर, STORE, स्टोर. नाउ नेक्स्ट वर्ड यू कैन राइट फोर्ट, FORT, फोर्ट. Okay, now next word you can write four. So one I have done for you. Now rest you have to do yourself. Okay, so now let's move to page number 8. So this is page number 8, dictionary focus. This is also your homework. Okay. Gopal writes a letter to his uncle who lives in the city. सो गोपाल अपने अंकल को लेटर लिखता है बेटा जो सिटी में रहते हैं. गो थ्रू हिज लेटर एंड करेक्ट द 10 स्पेलिंग्स मिस्टेक्स. सो आपको उसमें से 10 स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स करेक्ट करनी है. ही हैज़ मेड, जो उसने की हुई हैं. रीचेक ईच करेक्टेड वर्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ डिक्शनरी. और आपको जो आपने रीचेक करने हैं उन वर्ड्स को जो आप करेक्ट करोगे डिक्शनरी से. योर टीचर विल गिव यू 1 पॉइंट फॉर ईच वर्ड यू करेक्ट. और आपने जो एक वर्ड जो करेक्ट कर रहे हो आप उसको मैम आपको उसको 1 पॉइंट देंगी. राइट योर स्कोर, डू दिस इन योर नोटबुक. आपको ये नोटबुक में करने हैं. जो वर्ड इनकरेक्ट है उनको करेक्ट करके किस में लिखना है, नोटबुक में. ओके, यू हैव टू राइट इट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक. सो दिस इज द लेटर. ओके, so you have to just find out the 10 incorrect spellings and you have to just correct them and you have to write it down in your notebook. Okay, so these 2 exercises, this is your homework. Okay, now if you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.